Hello guys! So in this video guys, we're going to tax free.
Duty free.
Duty free. Here in Duty Fantacy, we are here for 48 hours weekend cruise trip from Oslo going to Kiel, Germany. So what we buying? We buy, of course, white wine,
cigarettes,
and cider. Yeah.
and cider and beer.
Yes, guys.
And if you buy for 2,500
Yeah.
in one receipt,
Yeah.
you get a free trip.
Yeah, exactly.
So we will buy
we-
so much as we get 2 free trips.
Yeah, so we get free tickets for next trip.
And next.
Yes. So stay tuned guys, and I will show you how much the cost.
This trip we paying 1,700 including lunch next day.
Yeah.
So this is expensive. But the next 2 trip will be free.
Yeah. Because this trip guys is included food. Yes guys. So I will show you how much the cost cigarette and drinks and food here, wine, everything. So I will show you. So stay tuned guys. And thank you for watching my vlog. Bye. Stay tuned. So now, this is tax free. Yan guys. So we're going inside there. We're going inside there. Tax free for the drinks and cigarette and chocolate. So I will show you how much the cost here. The cigarette and chocolate and food. Yes. So stay tuned. Ayan, they're tax free guys. Tax free. Ja, Ariel, vi går inn nå. Ja.
med deg en handlelag. Jeg fikk lov til å la den stå der, så jeg kan levere tilbake.
Yes. Yan. Yan. So guys, oh. Sale 129 Norwegian crown. Yan. Dim. Chocolate dim. That is very delicious. Take 3, pay for 2. For 64.90 Norwegian crown. Yes. More chocolate.
Cigarettes.
Yes. Do ba go in there? Yes, kako matiray. So it's just Snickers. 60 Norwegian crown. Yan. Ooh, one of my favorite. Determined favorite guys, oh. 119.20 120 Norwegian crown. Ayan, guys. Ferrero. Ayan, another Ferrero guys. Gay cost. So as you can see, very expensive. But the people here still buying. Still buying. Yeah, that then. Yeah. And here the cigarette. Yes, the cigarette. Yes, oh. The cigarette. Yes, oh. Yeah. Kint, brand Kint. Yes, oh. 699 Norwegian crowns. You can convert your own currency, guys. Ayan. Prince Red. Per pack. The one like this. 689 Norwegian crown. So you can convert your own currency, guys. Like this. 689 Norwegian crown. Guys. Ayan. So Marlboro, they have Marlboro. Yes, you see. Oh, Prince Original White. Yes, so Prince Original White. This is the same. Yes. Ayan guys. So the snus, yeah. 600. Guess what the price? Like this. So as you can see. Ayan. And this is kind of snus surf. Guess on the price. So they have the sale. Kinilin. There. Marlboro guys. Oh, oh Marlboro. 1,129. One like this. Ayan. Guys. Oh. One like this. 2 rim. 1,129. So, 2 rim naman siya. Ayan o. Kita nyo. Huge. Marlboro. So, ayan. Marlboro guys, for 1 rim, 689. So, the same price as a Prince. Ayan. 1 rim lang siya. Still expensive guys. Oh. So, yan. Ito yung mga chewing gum. Ito yung mga chewing gum nila. Tatlong na ganito. Tatlo na ganito is cost of 85 Norwegian crown. Huba-huba. Huba-buba. Guys, oh. Tatlo lang guys, ha. Tatlo lang yan, ha. 85 Norwegian crown. So, you can convert your own currency. Ayan. So, yun guys, oh. Chewing gum. 1 pack like this. Kasi pack sila eh. Wala sila tig-iisa. Yan siya oh. Ayan. 80 Norwegian crown guys. 80 siya. 1 pack na ganito. Dahil wala sila tig-isa-isa. 10 pieces yan. Ayan oh. 1 pack. So 80 Norwegian crown. So you can convert your own chocolate.
The FTS is much more expensive.
Oh yeah, already?
The cigarettes.
So guys oh. Oh.
With the alcohol
Anton
is
Berg,
cheaper
Anton
than
Berg,
FTS.
cost is 120 Norwegian crown. Yes, so this kind of chocolate. Anton Berg. Yan. So this kind of chocolate signature test. Baileys. Oh, 90 Norwegian crown. So guys, oh, so they have the sale. 3 for 89 Norwegian crown. 3 pieces like this. So we buy 3. We buy 3 guys. Ayan. Chocolate pa more. O, diba chocolate? Chocolate is life. Ayan. Ayan, so between guys. White wine. The price of white wine guys, oh. Guys, as you can see, Black and Tower. This is very good guys. Black and Tower. White wine. So we take this one. And put in there. Taran! So next. Next. More white wine. So more white wine guys. More white wine. We're going here. Ooh, Rosa white wine. Then asogotut. Yes. Then asogotut. Then. Asogotut. Sen. Put in the dito. Sen. Subita din. So guys, I will show you. This shore fish. This is very delicious guys. The cost 179 Norwegian crown. This one. Huge. Amazing. This one. Yan. Kita nyo? Yan. 179 shore fish. They have strawberry, green color, different flavor guys. Oh, martini guys is very good. Bianco martini guys. The cost is sale 119 Norwegian crown. A different flavor of martini. Yes, 119 sale siya. So Baileys. Oh, Baileys guys. So this one. Nanay favorite cost 269 Norwegian crown. So you can convert your own currency. This is Nanay favorite guys. So this is also one of my favorite. 219. Yes, it's very good. This is a Baileys with the caramel. test. Guys, oh. And this is also, guys, chocolate caramel test. This one, very delicious. Yan. Mojito guys, so 290 Norwegian crowns, so you can convert your own currency. Yan. So as you can see, guys, it's amazing. And yeah, guys, how much that Aaron? Bulmi ko rin. Do harder, no? By hitter then.
229 Scotsman shot.
Scotsman shot. Okay.
Ja.
Bulmi, yeah?
279.
279, guys. Yan. And now we're going to the cashier, ready to pay. So how much the total? All this. So guys, so this is what we buy here inside the boat. Yeah. So we're going to the lugar now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you
for watching. Now we are going back to our cabin. And thank you for watching, guys. Until the end of this video, like and share. Bye.